How to get a refund on Remitly. So what you're gonna have to do is simply go to Remitly and then go to transfer history. Now here you're gonna see all your transfers, so select in progress. Now keep in mind that if your transfer is in progress, you can cancel it. And if it's delivered, you cannot get your money back. So as you can see here, you can get a refund on Remitly if you cancel your transfer before it's completed. As you can see, completion means that your recipient has claimed the money you sent either through cash pickup, home delivery, or bank deposit. So you can also go here to Remitly and select the transfer and cancel it within the website or app, or you can also call Remitly, so you can contact them. Here you have the number and here you have the email. So if you want, you can pause the video and copy the phone number and the email address, and you can simply contact them. But I suggest you to go on the website or app and go to transfer history and simply cancel it from here because it's faster. So basically that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching.